All right, good morning, good morning. These videos right here is just to show you guys how to take a 10K account, run it up as much as possible. So let's do 10K to 20K and see where that goes. All right, so that'll be 100% off the balance. All right, obviously you can see this is a live account. IC market, MT5 Edge Raw. If it was demo, would say demo here. All right, I am keeping everything, my personal information away. I'm just uploading these videos to YouTube. All right. So let's break down the charts as far as the first thing when I get in, guys, and I look at the charts is I check for news. The easiest way to check for news is you could go to myfxbooks.com and look at the economical calendar there to check for news. All right. But uh, all right, so look like we have a setup here is about to form, and I might just missed it. Is this here that's doing that? All right. Let me see. This mice. Okay. All right. So let's go through here. Doing that. All right. My background here. Oh, sorry about that. All right. I know that was the issue that was going on here. All right. So you want to come to um, your higher time frames, your daily top to bottom analysis. So right now the daily is bullish right here, and the pair that we're going to trade is only gold. We're not going to trade any other pairs. All right. So the 4 hour, we have a support here. It look like we're somewhat making resistance right here in the 4 hour because this candle is currently bearish, but right now it's still open. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So the 1 hour here, let's adjust this line. We have support here. So where's a bearish candle and a bullish candle that form support? So we have a new form support here and we have resistance here. All right. So you have a bullish, bearish. This is resistance. All right. Let's drop down to our 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we have a new form support, actually new form support here and a resistance here. And we close above it, right? So our entries are going to be mostly off of our 15 and our 30 minutes. All right. Our entries. All right. We always want to go off of our higher time frame confirmations. All right. So, and then if you drop down to the 15 minutes here, um, you'll see you'll see that we have a minor resistance right here. All right. But the 15 minutes right now is kind of junky because you have resistance right here, you got resistance right here, going up in here. So we're gonna look to take a trade off for 30 minutes. All right. So this right here looks a little crazy right here, but we're gonna take a trade off right here. All right, so we broke that. Let's take buys. All right. Stop loss is gonna be below here. All right. And we're gonna go for maybe 10 to 15 pips. All right. Got in a little late. And then we're gonna manage our trade also. If this comes back here, we're gonna close 50% and then we're gonna close the rest right here. All right. So close half at 10 pips, and then we're gonna let the rest run. And also I'll only trade from 8 to 10:30 the latest. All right. We got so 50%, we're gonna close on our magic keys when it hits 10 pips. And we're gonna let the next run, okay? And if it comes back down, we're gonna manage risk. All right, so we're gonna close 50% at 10 pips. Almost there. All right, so we close 50%, and we're gonna put the stop loss and break even. All right. That okay. So we got a little bit less than 100 here. All right, so we got stopped out at a break even, right? At 10 pips. All right, so I just normally scout for 10 to 15 pips, and then anything over there, I'll let it run. But since we just started this account, um, obviously, you know, the first trade, they usually say make or break the account. All right, so we just went ahead and just took some risks off the table to try to grow the account. All right, so normally it's just 1 to 2 trades a day, and then I just turn off the computer, and that's it. All right, so we basically got our first trade of the day. At 10 pips, we had 150, but I closed half, right? Close a little bit above half. Um, and I put the rest in break even. And what I normally do sometimes is I do 80%, like I close 80%. But I wasn't paying attention here. All right, I'm new to this. I'm just uploading this stuff for you guys to show you how to build a small account, a 10K account. We're gonna take the 10K to 20K, and then after that, then we'll figure out where we go from there. All right. All right, so that's the first trade of the day. I'm done for the day. Um, all right, that's it. So I normally trade from 8 to 10:30. All right. And I know some people's like, oh, $99 is small, but look, guys, all right, think about it, right? We opened this trade at 8:03 and we closed at this trade was done by 8:05, right? Where do you know where you make after commissions $89 in less than in 2 minutes. All right, so I just made $89 in 2 minutes. I'm done for the day, and that's it. I'm calling a wrap. All right, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. All right, thank you guys.